what's inside the eggs, shall we? Open the first one. Oh, wow! It's a cat. Meow, meow.
Cat.
Cat.
Wow, go cat. Let's go, come with me. What's inside this one? Open it, open it. It's a goat.
Ba, ba, ba. Goat.
Goat.
Let's go, come with me. Oh, what about this one? I'm so excited. Wow, it's a pig.
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 Let's go, come with me. Wow! Oh my gosh, another one! Chicken! It's a chicken!
Chicken.
Oh, wow! Come along with me, Mr. Chicken. La la la, la la la. Wow! Crab! Oh my gosh, it's a crab!
Crab. Crab.
Wow, another one. Let's see what's inside. Wow! Sea lion! Wow! Very cute.
Sea lion.
Sea lion.
Let's go, come along. La la la. What about the next egg? Let's see, I'm so excited! Ah! Wow! It's a duck.
Quack, 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 quack.
Duck.
Duck.
Let's go, come with me. Oh wow! It's very cute indeed! It's a turtle!
Turtle.
Come along! Ooh, what is in this one? It's a seahorse!
Seahorse.
She.
Come along then! La la la, la la la, la la la. La la la. What about in this one? What do we have in this one? No! It's a dinosaur! Ah! Let's run away, oh my goodness!
Hey, what you doing here? Please. You have to go. Come on, Masha, come on. You can come along. He's gone, okay? Masha is scared of dinosaurs. What's in this one? Let's open it.
Open it.
It's an octopus.
The bird.
Octopus.
Octopus.
Let's go, come with me. Let's see the final one. No, it's a shark! Run away! Oh my goodness!
Shark.
All the animals come along to my house. Actually, it's the bear's house. Anyways, come along, come. Yay! Now, all of you water animals can go to the water. Go on, go along. Yay! Wow, seahorse, go along, fast, quickly. Go along, quickly. Oh my gosh, shark, please, go to the water. Go inside the water. All the water animals, go inside the water. Oops. There we go. All the animals, go inside the water. Oh, crab. Bye-bye, crab. Wow, I have all the animals here with me now. I'm so happy.
Me too, Masha. I'm really happy. Now, bye-bye.
What is this? A dinosaur again? Oh my gosh! I'm scared.
Quack, quack.
Meow! Meow!
Oink, oink. Go along. You're not welcomed. I'm sorry. Thank you, bye.